So you're thinking about buying an Osmo Pocket 3. Welcome, if you're new, I'm Emily Ball, and we're gonna do an unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Currently what I'm filming on right this moment is a Canon EOS RP. I'm not using a mic or anything right now because I don't have a mic. The mic is right here, we're just gonna go with this. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Let's go. No, seriously, let's go. Here she is, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Let's get her open. Alright, so we have the start guide, some stickers, and in here is the protective cover for the DJI. Let's see what's in the bag. Obviously, first off, we have the camera that we love so dearly. It is so small. This is in reference to my hand. We love. Next up, we have the DJI mic, and then we have the battery pack. And we have a little extender. I don't even know if that's what it's called. And then we have the tripod. I have a separate tripod, which I'll show you in the accessories part of the video. Then we have the charging cable, the fuzzy for the mic, and that Wii strap thingy. And then we have the ultra wide lens. And a magnet to go on the back of the mic so it can just magnetize directly to your clothes. That's everything in the bag, so let's put everything back in. Now we have to put the SD card into the camera for it to be able to turn on. I got a 512 gigabyte SD card. The slot is right on the side of the camera. I, for whatever reason, could not find it. I thought something was gonna open, but nope, it's just on the side. Now that that's in, we can turn it on. So exciting! This is so cool. To record, you just hit that orange button. Most importantly, you have to download the DJI Mimo app. This allows you to be able to download videos that you film on the camera to your phone. The first accessory we got is a cage, and it actually has a spot where I could put the mic on the cage, which is kind of cool. Then I got this little stand. Instead of using the tripod, I just will put my Osmo in this. Then, of course, an SD card, which I showed you earlier, 512 gigabytes because videos take up a lot of storage. Then I got this ND filter, which allows me to film outside without my video being super overexposed. This is what it looks like, and the one I got also came with a screen protector for the camera, which is such a slay. And then I got these little wristband straps, cuter than the other one that it comes with. These ones are fun and personalized. I love them. They are literally so cute. Next, I got this protective cover that snaps over the gimbal, which I love. So this is what it looks like. Super cool. Nothing too fancy, to be honest. Okay, I'm finally ready. I figured out how to connect the wireless mic to my Osmo, and I had to search up a YouTube video, so I'm going to explain to you how you do that so that when you buy yours, because I know you will, you know how to do it and you can just use this YouTube video on how you do that. Brief little mic test. This is me holding it really close to my mouth, which it's probably going to be extremely loud, so I'm sorry. And I'm just going to put it down here now because, yeah. It's right here right now, if you can see. But I'm hoping that it's out of frame. It is, that the audio still sounds good and I can see. Let me just show you because that's what I'm here for. When I talk, you can see that this little bar moves up, so it doesn't do it as much when I'm having it down here, but if I take it off and I go la da da da, I think that orange means like it's really, really loud. And people don't want really, really loud, so having it clipped is completely okay. This is the little tutorial on how to connect your DJI mic to your Osmo Pocket 3. Recording, I can pull down, and then you're gonna go here, and then you'll see wireless mic, and that's when I had to click on this, and then I had to hold this down until this started flashing blue. And then when that started flashing blue, I held down the link button, holding it down until this was a solid blue, and then it said connected on my Osmo. While we're at it, I just want to give a huge shout out to Vanessa Lau, who was the YouTuber that I watched who convinced me to get this camera. And I bought all the accessories that she recommended, so I'm very excited to use those. So if she ever sees this video, shout out, girl. Shout out. One other thing I want to show you in this video is the wide lens that comes with the Osmo Pocket 3. And you can see if you see a major difference. I think it's very, very minor. It's already a pretty wide lens camera compared to what you'll see at the beginning of this video when I was using the Canon EOS RP. It was very like narrow, and this is very much already wide. So let's give it a go. Okay, so you couldn't see my mirror before. Let me not have my hand cover this. Okay, so yeah, you can see to the end of my bed frame. And then, actually, you know what, I take it back. That's actually a good chunk that goes on. The camera is so compact and so amazing. If you don't buy it right now, what are you doing? If you're on the fence about whether or not you should get this camera, two things. Go watch Vanessa Lau's video because she will convince you just like she convinced me. And two, you should get it because if you're watching YouTube videos like I was, you're going to end up getting it because I ended up getting it and I don't regret it a single bit. This camera is amazing. It's so compact. I'm going to be able to travel with it, bring it wherever, and not be clunking around a big camera. As much as I love this camera, it's big and it's flashy and it's really hard to carry around and it's not very compact. So yeah, so you should just get this camera. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video and the little tips and tricks that I provided. If you want to see another video about the Osmo Pocket 3, just let me know, comment down below, and I will make another video. Bye!